So what is the biology? We are now going to lesson number 1. Our previous video was just an introduction. Lesson number 1, we have to define biology before we go into details. So when you are defining biology, we are taught that biology, it has to do with the study of living things. Actually, these living things are known as organisms. Bio, the word bio, B-I-O, stands for life. Then lodge, it stands for study. So this means that biology is the study of life. So then there are several branches of biology, and these branches are: number 1, we have botany, which is the study of plants. We have zoology, which is the study of animals, this one. Then we have ecology, which is the study of interactions of organisms with each other and with their non-living environment. We have biochemistry, which is the study of chemical reactions that occur in living organisms. It is the study of chemical reactions that occur in living organisms. Then ontology, we have ontology. Ontology is the study of insects. Ontology is the study of insects. So that is what we have. Thereafter, we now go to what is known as characteristics of living things. We go to characteristics of living organisms. Characteristics of living things are summarized as the Mr. Glyphic. Mr. Glyphic or Mrs. Grain. This one we are seeing here. Mrs. Grain, that is the summary for living, characteristics of living things. So the M we are seeing there stands for movement. Respiration is the release of energy from food substances inside living cells. There are 2 types of respiration. These are aerobic respiration and also anaerobic or anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the release of energy from food substances inside living cells in the presence of oxygen. Then we have anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, this is the release of food. This is the release of energy from food substances inside the living cells in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration yields more energy than the anaerobic respiration. So what is respiration? Respiration is basically the release of energy from food substances inside the living cells. That is what respiration is all about. That is what respiration is all about. Then we have the other one, which is G. G stands for growth. This means that every living organism or things, they have a characteristic which is for growth. They have characteristic for growth. So growth, what is growth? Growth is a permanent increase in size. It is a permanent increase in mass. It is the permanent increase in the number of cells and the complexity of an organism. That is what growth is all about. So every organism or other living organism, it grows. So there is a permanent increase in size, mass, number of cells, complexity of organism. That is what living organisms do. That is what living organisms do. The other one, which is the ara, this ara here is different from that ara. That ara there, it is different from the other ara.